In order to view or change the list of employees, users, you need to use Main tab, Tools, Employees list. To create a new employee record, you need to specify his name in the field Title. Additionally, you can fill in phone number, email, and the date of employment. In the Default Field Settings section, you can specify the cash box, warehouse, and price type, which will be filled automatically in all documents created by this employee in the database. It is required to save changes. To enable this employee to work in the database, you need to configure access rights for him. To do this, you need to click on the Database User Settings button. The Settings window includes username, password field, and 4 lists with the access settings. Sales List allows you to set up sales access. Using special flags, you can specify access right for sales orders and sales receipts. To give the employee the access to create and edit documents, use the flag Edit. To give the access for viewing the documents only, use the flag Read. Purchase List allows you to set up purchase documents access. Using the same flags as in the Sales List, you can configure the access rights to purchase orders and purchase receipts. Using the list Money, you can configure the access to Sales Invoices and Incoming payments in the line Incoming Money Docs, and configure access to Purchase Invoices and Outgoing payments in the line Outgoing Money Docs. You can configure specific rights in the Settings list. To give the full access to the system capabilities, set the flag in the Administrator line. In order to allow the user to create or change a list of goods, warehouses, types of prices, currencies, etc., set the flag in the Edit Catalogs line. Setting the flag in the Edit Prices line will give the user the right to set prices for goods and services. To give the user all rights for sales documents, allow him to edit and read sales orders and sales receipts. Be sure to set the password for user. This will protect your data from unauthorized access. At the end, you need to save the changes. After that, the user will appear in the list when logging in. Let's consider what the interface and work will be for a new user. The user doesn't have access to Main tabs Purchase and Money. He has access to the documents in Main tab Sales that have been authorized. These are sales orders and sales receipts. The user can see in Documents map that other documents have been created for the sales document, but he cannot open and view them since he doesn't have rights for these. He can only work with sales documents. If in the future it will be necessary to add rights for the user or to take away some rights, this can be done by reopening the user rights and checking or unchecking the necessary checkboxes.